Unveiling the power of the powerlifting belt. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of fitness equipment, specifically focusing on the powerlifting belt. This essential gear is a game changer for strength training, but what makes it so special? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of the powerlifting belt and discover how it can transform your workout routine. A powerlifting belt is a sturdy belt, typically made of leather or a durable synthetic material, worn around the waist during heavy lifting exercises. It's not just any belt, it's a carefully designed piece of equipment that provides crucial support. The belt is wide and thick, offering stability to your lower back and abdominal region. When you're lifting heavy weights, this support is invaluable as it helps to reduce the risk of injuries and allows you to focus on your performance. The powerlifting belt has a twofold benefit. Firstly, it increases intra-abdominal pressure. This might sound technical, but it simply means that wearing the belt gives your core a surface to push against during heavy lifts, thereby stabilizing your spine. Secondly, it reminds you to keep your posture in check. Proper form is crucial in weightlifting, and the belt's presence acts as a constant reminder to keep your back straight and core engaged, significantly reducing the risk of back injuries. Not every exercise warrants the use of a powerlifting belt. It's most beneficial during heavy compound lifts, such as squats, deadlifts, and overhead presses. To use the belt effectively, wear it tightly around your waist, but ensure you can still take deep breaths and engage your core. It's not about sucking in your stomach, but rather creating a solid wall of muscle and pressure against which your core can work. Selecting the right powerlifting belt is crucial. Look for one that is appropriate for your body size and the type of lifting you do. The belt should fit snugly around your waist, with just enough room to breathe and engage your core. The material, whether leather or synthetic, should be sturdy and durable. Remember, a good powerlifting belt is an investment in your lifting journey. The powerlifting belt is more than just an accessory, it's a powerful tool in your strength training arsenal. It provides support, enhances safety, and can even improve your lifting performance. Remember, the key to effectively using a powerlifting belt is understanding when and how to use it and choosing the right one for your needs. We hope this video has shed light on the powerlifting belt and its benefits. Stay strong, lift safely, and see you in the next video.